Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Kohn, and this is my daughter, Natalie.
Hi.
Every night, we read a bedtime story before I tuck her into bed. So tonight, we're reading Cooper's Rainy Day, and I wanted to invite you and read along with me. So this is Cooper's Rainy Day. It is written by Malvina Young and illustrated by Krista Couch. Cooper was a little bear who loved sunny days. Playing outside was his very favorite thing. What Cooper did not like was rainy days. Other little bears liked playing in the rain and splashing in puddles, but Cooper did not want to do that. One drip-droppy day, Cooper tried counting raindrops as they plinked and plopped against the window pane. But that was not nearly as fun as running, jumping, and climbing. Cooper was bored. There are lots of things to do, Cooper's mom said. What about playing clean out Cooper's messy closet? No, grumped Cooper. Or how about pick up all of Cooper's toys? No way, he said. Cooper did not want to do that. Why don't you go and play with those old games in the attic? His mom asked. Cooper rolled his eyes but went to the attic to look around. He saw some old skates and a bunch of baby toys, nothing worth playing with. But then he saw it. The old TV box. Cooper couldn't resist climbing inside. As he did, he heard a giant rumble of thunder. And suddenly, Cooper felt the box quake and shake. I wonder what that is doing. Zoom! Cooper flew through space. He raced past the moon. It glowed yellow and looked like yummy cheese. But there was no time to investigate. Cooper's rocket ship moved so fast that the stars zipped by. Cooper flew farther and farther into outer space. He went where no Astro Bear had ever been. Cooper wondered if anyone lived way out here. Just then, an alien flew by in a UFO. The alien and Cooper looked at each other in surprise. Then they smiled and waved. Traveling through the universe was a lot of fun, but Cooper had no other places to be. Splash! A water landing! Back on Earth, his spaceship turned into a submarine and floated down deep into the ocean. Everything was going along swimmingly until a grumpy giant octopus tried to grab the sub. With a few quick turns of the steering wheel, Cooper got away just in time. The water got bluer and bluer until it was almost black. A whole school of glowing fish surrounded Cooper and swam along with him as he toured the ocean floor. Cooper waved goodbye as his sub climbed upward. Exploring the ocean was fun, but Cooper had other places to be. The water got, turn the page. Bump! Cooper's sub turned into a time machine and had just smacked into a giant tree in the middle of a swampy forest. He couldn't see much through the trees, but he could see a huge brontosaurus. Cooper had a great idea. Cooper tapped the huge dinosaur's toe and waved. With a leafy grin, the brontosaurus lowered her head, and the little bear climbed up. High into the sky rose Cooper. He could see everything from up there. Cooper felt like the king of the world. Just then the ground rumbled and Cooper heard a noise. Thud, thud, thud. What was that? Cooper slid down the dino's long neck as the noise got closer and closer. Whatever it was big and maybe dangerous. Cooper ran back to his time machine. Thud, thud, thud. Cooper gulped. It must be a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Cooper sure hoped the T-Rex wasn't in the mood for a bear sandwich. Having lunch with a dinosaur? Cooper did not want to do that. Thud, thud. Cooper! Wait a minute. That wasn't a T-Rex. That was just Cooper's mom coming up the attic stairs. Phew! The rain had stopped and the sun was shining. She said, "Don't you want to play outside?" Cooper smiled from inside the old TV box. "That's okay, Mom," he said. Cooper had other places to be. I really liked this book because even though Cooper didn't want to go outside and play and he became bored, he found a box, just an old TV box, and he was able to imagine having some adventures by himself. And when it did become sunny outside, he didn't want to go outside and play. He wanted to keep on imagining in the TV box. So how cool. I hope you're finding ways to become to imagine things at home and playing while we're all at home every day. Mrs. Kohn misses the Pinehurst kids so much. I hope you enjoyed our story, and good night.
Good night. Bye.